Hey there. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how money feels completely different depending on who you talk to? For some people, money is a constant source of stress. It's something they chase every single day just to survive. Meanwhile, for others, money seems to flow in effortlessly, even while they sleep. Some people struggle to pay rent while others build wealth that lasts for generations. So what's really going on here? The truth is simple, but most people never fully realize it. We are not all playing the same financial game. Wealth isn't just about how much money you make, it's about levels. And every person on this planet is operating on a different level. In this video, we're breaking down the levels of wealth in a way that's practical, relatable, and real. By the end of this video, you'll understand where you stand today and what actually changes as you move up. Level 1 is survival. At this level, life feels like a constant battle. Every single day starts with pressure. Bills are overdue, rent is hanging over your head, and sometimes there isn't even enough food in the house. It's exhausting. Most people here are working low-paying jobs or part-time gigs. Even if they work hard, their income isn't enough for basic needs. This is what experts often call systemic poverty. It's not just about personal choices, it's about the system and the lack of opportunity. How do you escape survival? Small steps matter. Even saving a tiny amount consistently can begin to create momentum. Level 2 is struggle. At this stage, life is slightly better, but still unstable. You can cover basic expenses, but you're on the edge. One missed paycheck or one emergency expense and everything could fall apart. You're not drowning anymore, but you're definitely not safe. Investing might cross your mind, but fear holds you back. You don't want to lose what little you've worked so hard to earn. Level 3 is stability. This is where things start to feel different. For the first time, you can breathe. You've likely started saving money. Maybe you're building an emergency fund. Maybe you've even started investing a little. But if you lost your job today, your savings might only last a few months. That's why this is stability, not security. Level 4 is security. Now things get powerful. You're no longer just stable, you're protected. You have a solid financial foundation. If something goes wrong, you can handle it for months or even years. You're investing consistently and planning for the long term. Level 5 is independence. This is where the game changes. Your money starts working for you. Your investments or businesses generate enough income to support your lifestyle. You don't have to work, you choose to. Level 6 is freedom. At this stage, money is no longer a concern. You have complete control over your time. Work becomes passion-driven. You pursue hobbies or support causes not for money, but for fulfillment. Level 7 is abundance. This is the top. At this level, money turns into power and influence. You can shape industries, support causes, and impact global decisions. It's no longer about money, it's about legacy. The goal isn't to jump straight to the top. The goal is progress. Every level upward brings a new kind of freedom. Ask yourself, where am I right now? And what can I do to move forward? Wealth is about living life on your own terms. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and join Expound 100 for more content on success. Thanks for watching.